Schluter adapter kits offer a seamless retrofit solution by converting existing clamping ring drains to Schluter drains when removal of the clamping ring drain is not practical. We offer kits for both integrated bonding flange conversions as well as a linear drain kit. The KERDI-DRAIN adapter kits are offered in two different sizes: 5.5-inch or KDA5 or 7.5-inch or KDA7. The KERDI-DRAIN adapter kits include a steel adapter ring, which replaces the clamping ring of the installed drain, a tube of KERDI-FIX. A bonding flange designed to integrate with the adapter ring is provided as well. It's important to recognize that the adapter flanges are different from the standard KERDI-DRAIN flanges sold separately and are not interchangeable. The kit also includes a height adjustment collar for the KERDI-DRAIN grate. And finally, waterproofing accessories, including KERDI Carrick inside and outside corners and KERDI Seal PS and MV pipe and mixing valve seals. The KERDI Line A adapter kits allow for conversion to our KERDI Line linear drains. The KERDI Line A kit includes a 5.5-inch diameter steel adapter ring, which replaces the clamping ring of the installed drain, and a tube of KERDI-FIX. The Schluter KERDI-SHOWER-CB Compensation Board can be used in conjunction with the adapter kits to raise the shower tray to the appropriate elevation in these types of installations. The KERDI-SHOWER-CB is lightweight, easy to cut, and may be used over both plywood and concrete substrates. With all of these components, Schluter adapter kits are the perfect solution to convert clamping ring drains to a Schluter drain when removal is not an option. Along with the KERDI-SHOWER-CB Compensation Board, the system can be efficiently converted to a waterproof Schluter shower system in no time.